are pleased to show you the 2021 Gladiator. This vehicle is powered by a 4-wheel drive, 6-cylinder, 3.0-liter engine and comes with a automatic transmission. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power windows with safety reverse, remote engine start, traction control, stability control, front suspension type, multi-link, roll stability control, daytime running lights, front suspension classification, solid live axle, rear step bumper, fog lights. Inside you'll find voice-activated navigation system, rear view camera, audio radio, touch screen display, electronic messaging assistance with read function, electronic messaging assistance with voice recognition, audio, speed-sensitive volume control, footwell lights, cruise control, trip computer, audio auxiliary input, memory card slot,